Okay, this is Sunday, August the 8th, 2021. I don't know, probably about 6:30, I'm not sure, something like that. We're going to do a video on the 31 by 1050 15 tires on this 97 Cherokee Country. It came with two 15 tires on it. When I bought it, it had two 25s, and I put 30 by 950s on it. Put a lift kit on it and put the 31 by 950s or 31 by 1050s on it. And someone asked me about the performance and stuff and the re-gearing. I have not re-geared it. I should have probably, but I didn't want to spend extra time and money. I don't know if you could re-flash the computer to get the transmission to shift properly or not, or at the time it's supposed to. But I did pull up the chart, and so it shifts at a higher speed, but it thinks it is at the lower speed because the tires are larger and you're actually running faster. But this has a 355 gear in it. And it said for the 355 to re-gear it properly, it would need I think it was a 4. I'll cut this off and I'll get the chart and I'll start going over it better with you. Okay, it said to get it back to factory gear ratios, I would need to re-gear it to a 397. That'd be effective ratio of 317. Now, at 20 miles an hour with the stock tires, the 215s on it, these 31 by 1050s, you're running 22.4 miles an hour. At 50 miles an hour, what it would be with the 215s, running 56 miles an hour with these 31s on it. At 60, it's 67.1. And at 70 it's 78.3. At 80 it's 89.5. At 90 it's 100.7. So it does need to be re-geared, or either I may go back down to the 30s. I'm not going to go any smaller than that. And this lift kit said up to a 30. But this 355, even the 30s are marginal for the gear ratio. Anyway, we may go down the road and let you see how it shifts. Yeah, looking in there at that lower controller, that control arm down there, you can see where when the tire is turned all the way to the left, how it's scrubbing a little bit on that control arm. Now, something I didn't mention, but okay, it shifted out, shifted again. Now see, it hadn't shifted into high or overdrive. It'll be well, I'm not sure if it's gotten into overdrive yet or not. Probably not, because the speedometer is showing 40. But something else I forgot to mention is I did not space these tires out. I probably needed to get at least half-inch spacers, but I don't like the way the tires look when they're setting out further. And when you turn this thing all the way, it will scrub on the new control arms just a little bit. Now that's not really a problem for me because I don't do any aggressive driving and four-wheeling. And the same thing about the tires, they're a little bit too large for aggressive four-wheeling. Plus, I haven't noticed any difference in power. If I was towing something, I might notice a difference starting off at the power. It may not have quite the power and torque I would need with this gear ratio. We need that higher gear ratio, that 397 or whatever it said it was. this old house here. See, it's shifted into third, but it hadn't gotten into overdrive yet. Okay, well, I'm going to turn it off. Any comments be appreciated. I may sell these 31s and go back to 30s, but I just haven't been able to find a tire that I like in the 30 size. I really like these Michelins, and the Michelin quit making the 30s in the 15-inch. If I could find me a set of 96 16-inch rally wheels, that'd be good. Okay, that'll conclude this video.